Okay guys, this year's Evo Enduro 2019, we have these teams participating, and together with them, you will stand a chance to win a Proton X70, 38,000 ringgit cash. Yes, these are real money over here, and 2-person gets to win this, and another 10-person will be able to win 8,000 ringgit cash. All you need to do is just to buy their products from a minimum spending of 5 ringgit. To know how to enter, all you need to do is just to WhatsApp your receipt of your product and answer a simple question to this number. To understand further, go to this website to know about all these products and how to enter. Menang, menang, menang!
Menang!
Alright.
Again, Con?
Make noodle lah.
Guys, so today I am at the launch of well, let me just show you the screen lah. That's the new Peugeot 3008 Plus. That is the Peugeot 5008 Plus. So I'm going to show you the 5008 Plus in a separate video, but right now here, this video, we will be focusing on the 3008 Plus. This car I'm showing you here, this is the 3008 Plus Active. The one up there is the Allure. So these new Plus models, both the 3008 and the 5008, they are locally assembled, all right? And so what they have done is that the prices have gone up, yes, but they've also added new kit. So this 3008 Active Plus here is brought pretty much to the same level as the CBU 3008 Allure. That fella up there, the 3008 Allure, comes with a few new things which I will run through with you right now. So to start with, the roof rails are new, and you've got a panoramic sunroof. You've got blind spot warning. You see the camera there, so you've got collision warning. You've got lane keeping assist. Lane keeping assist, yes, so when the car detects that you're straying off your line, it will tuck the steering a little. It also has what was it? It also has collision detection. And new to the 3008 Allure, powered tailgate. Alamak. Well, they switched off the car, so I can't show you the power tailgate, but it's powered, right? And previously was not there. Let me just show you the switch on there. Power tailgate, okay? And so here's the boot. This is a 2-level flooring, so you can lower this if you want. And this is a 1-touch release. So I've brought the floor back up, and with the floor at the higher level, it forms a nice seamless loading floor. This 1-touch release feature is not available in the Active. Okay, I'm not going to close that. It's going to take too much effort. So yes. So the other thing that the Active spec does not have, it does not have LED headlamps. All right. So you've got this and the signal lamps here. These light up sequentially here in the Active. The Allure doesn't get that. Sorry, this light up sequentially here in the Allure. The Active there does not get that. And let me just quickly show you from the inside. We'll fold the seats back up, huh? So here's the sunroof. It spans a nice length all the way to the back of the C-pillar. And we come to the front. Okay, so if you remember, the 3008 has a nice sort of like denim-like dash, well, trim insert, which I think is very, very cool. So, okay, the engine is shut off. So let me just pause this recording for a while and grab the key to start the car again. Haha, yes, got the keys. And it's the wrong set of keys. Okay, no, it's the right set of keys. So, okay, I hate starting the car indoors. Oh, and now I can show you So now that I have the keys, right, I can show you the hands-free tailgate opening. So holding the key here, yes, the tailgate powered closing. So let's just go back into the driver's seat. Okay, you know what? I'll just quickly start the engine and so you can browse through this button and you can see that the instrument cluster gets new graphics. Now the contrast here and here actually looks better in eyesight than in person. For whatever reason, it is showing this is like overblown, but it's not. Okay, maybe it's the exposure setting of my phone. So you can cycle through a number of different display modes. It's navigation, so navigation would put this whole thing as a map, which I think is probably they haven't loaded the SIM card or something. Driving, this will show you the the advanced driver assist features, the semi-advanced driver assist features, or the lane departure warning and that thing lah. And you can come to here. This will switch the car to the car to traditional analog looking dials. Once again, the exposure is a bit blown up, so the contrast is a bit different when I see it here in person versus what I'm seeing it on the screen. Minimum, this is a very kosong display, and come to personal. So now this personal setting, okay, you can adjust. So let me just cycle through this. Driving functions, no, vehicle settings. I'm still trying to figure my way through this. Oh no, maybe not. Options, nope, not here. Car apps, okay, yes, iCockpit amplify. Now this is one thing that I can show you. Now we are in relaxed mode, right? We can activate boost. So boost is sort of like a garang mode, in which when you activate boost, first of all, it triggers the sport mode setting. Second, the ambience, you see, it turns the screens red. And lighting intensity, you can vary the lighting intensity, maximum, minimum, the ambient lighting intensity, which so you can see there. Let me just show you. Maximize the lighting intensity. So you can see the lighting there, the ambient lighting there brightened. And here, ambience, sound ambience lah, never mind that. And dynamic driving mode. So we go back to relax, and no, never mind, we need to save that. So here we have, another thing I can show you. Go to here, options, instrument panel personalization. So right now I am in individual mode, right? I can adjust this, let's say like G meters. Okay, I can set OK, and this becomes a G-force meter. So let me just try one more round. Maybe this one I put temperature. So there you have it, engine temperature. So it gives you a degree of personalization. Now I don't remember seeing the G-force meter available in the CBU model, so this could be an enhancement. But overall, okay, let me just off this. Now I'm done showing you this. Now off the engine, and it does not seem okay. So that aside, everything else here is as per what I previously reviewed. Excellent cabin ambience, feels expensive, perceived quality looks good. I like this denim trim insert, very nice, and it goes this whole panel here, okay, feels nicely put together, good combination of materials, this satin like metal finish. This is a nice deep tray here, useful tray here as well, deep cup holders, this storage bin here, which I must emphasize is extremely deep. Okay, so one thing that you really have got to admire with the 3008's dashboard or center console design is that they've managed to achieve style without compromising on practicality. So that is something really nicely done, nicely executed by Peugeot. So we just come here to the Active. That's the lower spec car. Active versus the Allure spec there. So you can see here, headlamps, halogen reflectors. No roof rails up here, but you still get keyless entry. Rims are the same size, 18 inches. You still get a reverse camera. Okay, it's a 180-degree reverse camera. Now, something that I highlighted before and I really like about the Peugeot 180 reverse camera is that so the camera records everything exactly what's behind the car. But as your car reverses, it remembers what it previously saw here. And on the monitor, it shows you what it previously saw here and it stitches the image together nicely so that you still have a general idea. It creates an augmented bird's eye view based on what it had earlier recorded with the reverse camera. So I think that's a very clever utilization. So manual tailgate here with the active model. Still get LED tail lights, and as we step inside, leather seats here. Still got powered. Driver side also got power seat adjustment, but I think this one passenger side should be manual. Okay, so yep. Passenger side also got manual seat adjustment. Not bad. Got electric seat adjustment. Not bad. But no sunroof. That's fine. And instead of the denim trim, this here gets this has to be fake carbon fiber lah. But hey, it still feels nice to the touch. It still feels nice to the touch. So this is the instrument cluster. Looks to offer the same kind of features. Let me just quickly run through and see car apps. It also has the iCockpit amplifier system here as well. So all in, yep. Here you have it. This is the new Peugeot 3008 Plus. 150,000 ringgit for the Active, 163,000 ringgit for the Allure, and that's Jay Wong from the Star.